In 1980, the winning time for women in the Olympic 500-meter speed skating event was 41.78 seconds. The average rate of decrease in the winning time has been about 0.19 seconds per year. In Part A, we're asked to express the winning time t in this event as a function of the number of years after 1980, which is x. In Part B, according to the function, when will the winning time be only 35.7 seconds? So, we have a linear function in this case, and we're going to use the model y equals mx plus b, which is the slope-intercept form of a line. And b is the y-intercept, or in our case, it's going to be the y value at time t equals 0. And m is the slope, which will be represented by the decrease in the time. So, in our case, we have y is equal to our slope. We were given that there's a decrease of 0.19 seconds per year. So we'll substitute in 0.19 with a negative sign because it's a decrease, negative 0.19 times x, plus b really is represented by the y-intercept, or the original y value, the original function value at time t equals 0. The original function value we're given was 41.78 seconds. So we'll put in 41.78 for b. So now we're ready to write the answer to Part A. Remember, in Part A, we're asked to express the winning time t in terms of x. So we have a function in terms of x. So our function, instead of writing y, I can write t of x, just as I would write f of x for y, but they asked us to express it in terms of t. So t of x is equal to negative 0.19x plus 41.78. Now in Part B, we're given a different question. In Part B, we're asked, when will the winning time be 35.7 seconds? So in other words, I want to substitute 35.7 in for t of x. 35.7 is equal to negative 0.19x plus 41.78, and I want to solve this equation for x. When I solve for x, remember, x represents the number of years past 1980. So the first thing I'll do is subtract 41.78 from both sides of this equation. When I do that, 35.7 minus 41.78 gives me negative 6.08, which is equal to negative 0.19x. And then I can divide both sides of this equation by negative 0.19. When I do, I get negative 6.08 divided by negative 0.19, and that gives me 32. So x is equal to 32, but that's not really the answer to the question. The question was, when will the winning time be 35.7 seconds? Well, it'll be 35.7 seconds, 32 years after 1980. And if we start from 1980 and move 32 years forward, we'll end up in the year, let's see, 2012.